Hello everyone, testing out a little quick and dirty project here. Stopped by and saw my train dealer last week, and he had a box of, well, we'll call it previously enjoyed trains, and it was mostly model power, really beat up and not really worth much, and there was an Athearn Blue Box sitting in there, and it was this locomotive. Now, it was, as he said, pre-weathered. It had about an inch of dust on it, and I thought, well, maybe I could do something with it. But he gave me it for practically nothing, and I came home and cleaned it and threw some paint and decals at it, and a little bit of oil, and as you can see, it runs pretty well. It was all there minus a couple handrails and stanchions that I had in my parts box, and I added the number board decals and just did a quick paint job for the black pilot, did the handrails, matched the Conrail blue on an Athearn Blue Box as close as I could. That's almost impossible to match any colors on an Athearn Blue Box, especially the Conrail one, but didn't come out too bad. We'll see what I do with this. That's about it.